Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Sony Voice Recorder ICD UX570F. The audio of this video is also being recorded on the same device. It has its country of origin in China. This voice recorder has an internal storage of 4 GB, out of which 3.2 GB will be usable. You can also add the additional micro SD card too. For charging, it's based on the inbuilt battery, unlike its predecessors which worked on the AAA alkaline batteries. This sound recorder is perfect for voice note, concerts and long lectures in the classroom. Sound quality is exceptional but not as loud as the lavalier microphones. The battery backup is excellent, and once it's fully charged, you can go days without charging. The voice recorder easily fits inside the pocket and is almost half the size of a smartphone. You also get a cushion cover with it. Once you are done with the setup, I suggest you try all the modes and stick to the one that suits you the most. You should also try to keep the voice recorder closer to the mouth, or otherwise your voice will be too low. You can also plug in the headphone and mic cables too. Once headphones are plugged in, you can enjoy the FM radio on it too. FM radio can also be recorded with one touch record button. You can also use this recorder as an Mp3 music player and use it like an iPod. Unfortunately, it doesn't have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and you cannot connect it directly to the camera. However, you can record Mp3 files and later add those in the movie editing software. The company claims 22 hours of battery life, which is very good. The record mode has various file extensions, with MP3 files ranging from 48 kbps to 192 kbps and lpcm at 42 kHz. I suggest you still select the MP3 at 192 kbps because a lot of movie editing software do not support the lpcm yet. Now the real question, is it worth the buy? Well, I feel it's slightly expensive, but also at the same time feel that it is a one-time investment. Anyone aspiring to be a YouTuber should have this in their arsenal. Now, talking about the build quality, it feels very premium in the hands, and I did not feel any overheating issues. The OLED display is black and white, but very crystal clear. USB charging is also a plus point and easily connects to the computer, just like the pen drives. Okay, so let's quickly do some audio test comparisons. As I said, it's not as loud as the lavalier microphone, but a lot more sharper. Okay, so let's quickly test the audio now. This audio is recorded on the DSLR's own microphone. As you can hear, it's not very good. So this is how the microphone on the iPhone 13 Pro sounds like. Let me know how it is. So now that the DSLR is now connected to the lavalier microphone, it's better than the DSLR's own microphone, but it's still far behind the Sony's voice recorder. So I'm recording a video on the iPhone 13 Pro. I've turned off the audio on the iPhone 13 Pro, and the voice that you're hearing right now is coming from the Sony's voice recorder. Now this voice recorder does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or any way to connect to the mobile phone, so I have somehow just muted the audio on the iPhone 13 Pro. I've just put the music file of the voice recorder to the existing video. Let me know how the voice is like. So what I'll do now is I'll try to distance the voice recorder from my mouth to see how the audio is like. As you can see, it's about a feet away from me. Now it's real close to my mouth. Let me know the changes. Now it's again 1 feet away from me. Now it's 1 feet down. Now again it's up to my mouth. Let me know how the audio quality is like with the Sony voice recorder.